70 meters at this time. The docking interface is within 1 square.
Currently closing at a rate of 0.4 of a meter per second. At the time of contact and capture, the Progress will ease into port at a rate of about 1/10 of a meter per second.
Target.
Картинка устойчивая, скорость на движение 0,32, расстояние по курсу 67 метров.
Good stable image.
По таблице.
67 meters range, 0.37 range rate. The crosshairs are aligned and everything looks good. Copy.
Есть торможение.
Thrusters firing to dampen the rate. 0.2 for range rate. Standing by for antenna retraction. Copy.
Мишень устойчиво наблюдаем. 0,22.
And the target is stable and visible. 0.22 for range rate. Actually, it's gone down to 0.17.
The visiting vehicle officer in Mission Control reports that the Progress's core's antenna has retracted as planned at a distance of about 45 meters.
Actually, we sent the command. We're standing by for...
The International Space Station and the Progress now currently traveling 216 statute miles over the border of southern Russia and northern Kazakhstan.
And
the Progress docking mechanism now powered up, everything in readiness for the arrival of the latest cargo ship through automated commanding for its docking coming up just a few minutes from now.
Meters, we're standing by for back out on the plus x-axis, just in case. Copy, and I'm ready. Range right now has changed about 47 meters, or that's what it's showing. But based from the...
You can see the crosshair docking target coming into alignment with the crosshairs on the external engineering camera on the Progress vehicle itself. Just above that is the docking port at the aft end of the Zvezda service module.
Right now to the docking interface, or 2 squares. Copy, 2 squares or 32 meters. And I'm ready to send command. Operation, and then plus X. Copy. And that's done. Very good. Everything's nominal. And Sasha, can you tell me what your assessment is of the range? Okay. And assessment is in progress at this time. About 27 meters.
27 meters separating the Progress 39 cargo craft and the International Space Station, now closing at a rate of just over 1/10 of a meter per second. The Progress and the station soon to cross the border between eastern Kazakhstan and western Mongolia.
And crosshairs are aligned. Copy. Everything's nominal. Range rate visually corresponds to the same as shown, about 0.14.15. The range now is about 21 meters. Copy. 19 meters for range at this time. Copy. And could you give us that in squares as well? Yeah, target is one square, which is 19 meters. We copy 1 square or 19 meters. 17 meters. Docking interface at 3.5. Copy. And we're coming up on the docking interface, and the crosshairs are aligned. It kind of ranges a little bit pitch-wise, but no more than 1 square off. Copy. And do you have a good visual on the crosshairs? Yes, I have very good visual on the crosshairs, and the range is 10 meters. Copy.
Just 10 meters separating the two craft. All of this continuing to go by the book through an automated approach of the Progress 39 cargo craft.
And from the electronic view, it's about 1/8 of a square. Copy. And the range rate is about 0.13 to 0.14. We copy. Sasha. 7.5 meters.
Moving toward the envelope of the docking target itself, 7 meters separating the Progress from its port.
Range is 7 meters. We copy 7 meters. And 2 squares. And I can confirm that the range rate is about 0.11.
Good steady approach of about 1/10 of a meter per second.
Crosshairs are aligned. Everything is nominal. And the overlays and crosshairs are basically matched up. The crosshairs are at the center. 2.5 squares. And range rate is about 0.1. We copy.
Just a handful of meters separating the Progress from Zvezda, standing by for contact and capture.
0.1 for range rate. Copy. Standing by for contact. Everything is nominal. 1 meter. Sasha? Yes, and we confirm Moscow. And we have contact.
Docking confirmed.
Capture. Copy, and we see contact and capture. Congratulations.
Docking occurring at 6:58 a.m. Central Time, right on the money over Mongolia at an altitude of 216 statute miles. A textbook approach and rendezvous for the Progress 39 cargo craft delivering 2.5 tons of food, fuel, and supplies for the Expedition 24 crew. With docking confirmed, the relative motion between the Progress and the International Space Station now beginning to dampen out to provide the capability for the forward docking probe to begin its retraction and form a hard mate to initiate the hooking up of hooks and latches between the two docking mechanisms. And that docking probe now begins its retraction.